bathi sebewenzile konke, bengikhuluma kabi, bethi bayangqiba, kanti abazi ukuthi ngiyimbewu yomdalo othale konke. Asoze angilahla, asoze angishiye, uzohlala nami yena. Jehova uhlale nami, hlehlele muva sitha, hey, uJehova uvumile, izulu liyavuleka, ziyehla ibusiso, isitha sinqotshiwe, uJehova ngeke ngilahle, asoze angishiya, uzohlala nami, uJehova. Sekukubi, hlala nami, I can't do it without you, Lord. Stay with me, hlala nami, Jehovah. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
Yeah, listen. It's been a long minute, I've been walking a hard mile, but I turn back now, I might turn into a salt pile. So I keep forward, keep reaching abroad, keep reading the sword, and keep believing in God. But God, my feet are exhausted, even breathing is hard. Losing sleep, losing consciousness, I eat, I feel nauseous, yet I don't seek to conform, cause I've been peeping a problem. Y'all believe you alive, but you're walking into your coffins. All your leaders are pausing, you need to speak to the source. You need to put your hands together, have 6 in the morning. And my apologies and preaching's how I'm coming across. But when I come to the cross, I find my problems are solved. Funny, I spent a couple G's on this Jesus piece, but geez, I cannot believe that it don't speak to me. It ain't a feat I can't defeat if he's in league with me. I need someone to believe, Kelly, sing with me, yeah. Cause I've been on my hands and knees for weeks and weeks, and I beg and I plead, God, please ease the tears.
You said in your word, you'll never leave me, never forsake.
But when I get up on the mic and I let Jesus speak, I am King of Kings, this here's the real speech. Preach.
Jehovah.